Long ago, God saw that the people on the earth were becoming very bad. But one man, Noah, obeyed God.
Noah, I want you to build a boat.
Noah started right away.
What on earth is this guy
But the
doing?
people laughed at Noah because they lived in a desert and there was no water anywhere for his boat. But Noah just went on building the boat. When the boat was finally finished, God told Noah and his family to go into the boat. In went his sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. In went their wives and Mrs. Noah.
Now bring 2 of every animal.
Noah did exactly what God told him to do, and God watched over him. When the last animal climbed into the boat, God shut the door. Then it began to rain. It rained so much the water was over the meadows. It rained so much it covered the towns. It rained so much it even covered the mountains. But inside the boat, everyone was safe. After 40 days and after 40 nights, the rain finally stopped. But it still wasn't time to get off the boat. Water was everywhere. One day, Noah let a little dove fly out to see what was happening on the earth. It brought a green leaf back. Hooray! The plants were growing again. It was almost time to come out. At last, everyone was out of the boat, and Noah built an altar.
Thank you, God, for keeping us safe.
Then something wonderful happened. God put a beautiful rainbow in the sky and made Noah a promise.
I will never flood the whole earth like that again.
And when God makes a promise, He keeps it.